Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. A warm welcome in the valedictory session. I, Megha Yadav, Assistant Professor, Moderator for this session. It's an honor to be a part of this intellectual and significant conference. On behalf of Apex University, Jaipur, I would like to extend my heartiest gratitude toward the Scientific Research Association, Research Culture Society, Institute of Science and Technology, for their full-fledged cooperation and understanding. Now, I would like to introduce Professor Dr. Pankaj Kumar Sharma, who is versatile and dynamic academician having enormous experience in the domain of pharmacy and is one of the guiding source of research for Apex University. I would request respected Professor Dr. Pankaj Sharma, Registrar, Apex University, Jaipur, to enlighten us. Sir, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Pankaj Sharma, Registrar of Apex University, Jaipur. Firstly, I would like to welcome all the participants and organizing committee for making this program memorable. And on behalf of Apex University, Jaipur, also I would like to extend my sincere and warm regards for organizing such a memorable event. Although this is a valedictory session, but still, I would like to give some of the important informations about the Apex University Jaipur. That this Apex Foundation is more than 55-year-old organization, and such type of conferences and guest lectures, and these are very valuable things for all of us. And when we got the proposal from your side for organizing this event, definitely we are very lucky that we have organized this event with you people. I would like to give my sincere regards and thanks to all the participants who have given their such a nice presentation in this conference. And I hope that in future, we will be having some more conferences in collaboration with all of us so that we can extend the hands of scientific research. This is my expectation on behalf of Apex University from all of us, that we should always be involved in the scientific research, because after COVID, we have realized that some type of research has been blocked or choked, we can say, because we were involved in different type of other assignments. But now the time has come when we should again start to think that the research is the part of life. Research is a part of life of science. So always we should think about the research, and research is nothing but something new. It may be accidental research or intentional research. So always we should think about the research. And in such type of platforms, we can share our ideas, our experiences, and our knowledge. So again, I would like to give my sincere thanks and regards to all the organizing committee members as well as participants for organizing this event very successfully in a memorable event. And thanks to Megha Yadav ma'am for inviting me in this valedictory session, and all the participants and organizing committee members. Thanks once again. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for providing us guidance and motivating the conference participants for greater exploration of research issues. Now, I would like to introduce Air Commando Devendra Singh Shekhawat, sir, who is awarded Vishisht Seva Medal by the President of India for his outstanding service in the Indian Air Force and contribution to the nation. Having more than 33 years of experience in the field of aviation and defense, his presence in the Apex University and research is vital for engineering department. A gold medalist in his abject degree from a renowned institute, IIT Kharagpur, he has represented Indian government on diplomatic mission for more than 3 years in Russia. Deputation in DRDO, Chief Engineering Officer at Sukhoi 30 fighter planes base are few of the major contribution in his credit. His guidance and support always help us in overcoming all hurdles easily. I would request Air Commando Devendra Singh Shekhawat sir to kindly share his views and thoughts for enriching the conference proceedings. Sir, please.
Good afternoon to all of you. It's a privilege and honor for me to be here with all of you today and speaking to all of you. At the outset, I congratulate all the organizers and presenters and research scholars organizing such a wonderful conference. I will use this word wonderful in the sense this conference has everything. Science and technology, it has computer, it has agriculture, it has physical science. Everything is included in one conference. So if you ask me, I visualize this conference like a wheel of knowledge, which has 5 spokes. And each spoke, which I learned, whatever, of course, I was out of this conference for some time, but I was keeping in touch, whatever the papers are presented in this conference. And I come out with 5 takeaways from this conference. Number 1, interconnected. Each paper which was presented, each item which was shown here, demonstrated, or whatever was talked about it, it was interconnected with each other. And that's what our life is interconnected. Today, if something happens in US, there is a stock market of India falls or up, rises. So it's everything in the world is interconnected today. So which in this conference I could see everything is interconnected. Number 2 is the practical form. It's not only ideas are given. Ideas will become only information. But if the ideas are thought about it and how it will be implemented, understood, then it becomes a knowledge. And once it is given a practical form and brought in our life for practical application, then it becomes a wisdom. I'm sure this conference has created that kind of platform for all of us. And I remember, like Newton's third law, every action has equal and opposite reaction. We all know, but Wright brothers used this information and created the knowledge and applied in their practical application and invented the aircraft. Third is a sustainable model. Third spoke, which Dr. Perrin also spoke, which is a UN mission. Main agenda is there. Whatever that, we should have a sustainable growth model should be there and development model should be there, which I fully agree in that. Fourth, nature. We have to keep it in our mind, whatever the research we are doing it, water, air, and earth, that is the agriculture. If these 3 things are keep in our mind and whatever the digital and everything we apply on these 3 medium, I think this will help us in betterment of our life. Fourth is fifth one is the mindset of people. You see, if a positive mindset is there with helping and compassion in the mind, then whatever the research we are doing it will be for betterment of the society. In this regard, I would like to mention and take this opportunity to inform you that Apex University has taken a 1 step ahead. We have introduced a SODECA course for all the disciplines, which is a social outreach discipline and extracurricular activities. So whatever the gaps are there between the student and the society, this particular course is bridging that gap. In the last, I thank you very much for organizing this conference. I just congratulate all the presenters, all the organizers. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir, for sharing your extremely helpful views. Now I would request respected Professor Dr. M. Narayani, Dean Postgraduate Studies, Creso University, Zambia, to express his highly valuable experience for in-depth understanding on various issues of society. Ma'am, please.
Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone once again. What I noticed in today's presentation, some of the presentations that fulfilled the objectives of this International Scientific Research Conference, that explains the promotion in scientific and educational activities towards the advancement of common citizens' life by improving the theory and practice of various disciplines, especially in science, engineering, and technology. This research platform that provided an interaction stage, as my earlier speaker, Dr. Devendra Singh, said that this platform interconnected the people from various places, and it provided the stage for researchers and practitioners from academia and industries, which dealt with the state of the art and advancement in their respective fields. Especially in this conference, we are speaking about science, technology, engineering, and agricultural field. Yeah. And also what I noticed is region-specific conferences. That is very needful at present. And for the improvement of the country. For example, when I saw some presentations, some presenters in the last presentation session, I noticed some from India, then some from one of the members from Johannesburg, then Ethiopia. So it interconnected the countries so that this research is sharing in all the countries. Yeah. So really, I'm happy and thankful to this Research Culture Society. In this great occasion, I would like to thank Research Culture Society, Scientific Research Organization, and other co-organizers includes Apex University, Jaipur, Scientific Research, Institute of Science and Technology, Eurasian University, to coordinate this conference and bring success so that we understand and we came to know a lot of research activities in science field. As I'm coming from background, that's why I'm concerning on science and the technology. Yeah. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity to allow me as a keynote speaker. Thank you very much to all the presenters and keynote speakers. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving us clarity and better understanding on the conference theme and related issues. Now I would request respected Professor Janina Lesun, Head Institute of Social Science, Eurasian University, to express her views and experience to enhance the humble understanding of all the participants of the conference. Ma'am, please.
Hello, thank you so much. Can you hear me? Tell me, please. Is everything okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. My name is Janina Lesun. I represent Eurasian University and Institute of Social Science, and I would like to express my best wishes and greetings to all participants of this conference. It's very important, such a meeting as we have today is very important because we have discussed a lot of aspects of science, computer science, engineering and technology, agriculture, and for me, I like a lot speech about butterflies. I'm specialized in economic science and communication, but it's also important to build such communications between technical disciplines and economical aspects. And of course, all participants spend their time for finding information, for prepare the presentation and articles. That's why it's very important we have a good opportunity to find something new to communicate to each other with different colleagues from different countries. That's why thanks a lot for organizing this conference. Thanks a lot to Research Culture Society, and we express our best wishes from Eurasia University. Thank you so much, and all the best, and I hope we will organize such conference in the future. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for sharing your views. Now I would like to introduce respected Dr. K.D. Gupta, sir, Head Computer Science Department, Apex University, who has supervised in more than 100 software projects. He is a reviewer and a member for many reputed Scopus General. He is also a member of International Association of Engineers and International Association of Scientologists. He has remained brilliant scholar, commanding the expertise on various programming language. So please.
Hello everyone, very good afternoon. This is Dr. K.D. Gupta. It has been an honor to be a part of this delightful conference. On behalf of Apex University Jaipur, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards the management of the Apex University and our committee members for organizing this wonderful international conference, for their extemporaneous coordination throughout the conference. Words are not enough to express our sincere gratitude to our Honorable Registrar Sir, Professor Dr. Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and Dean Academics, Air Commandant Devendra Singh Shekhawat for their presence. The conference would not have been the same without your presence, sir. Further, my sincere thanks to Professor Yamina Lisun and Professor D.M. Narayani for being throughout the conference. I would like to thank all the participants for their enthusiastic participation. Without you all, this event would not have been possible. Thank you very much again. I would like to take this moment to thank the very motivated and dedicated presenter and speakers who made this conference immensely successful. If time is money, then today you have spent millions for us. Thanks for all making this conference possible. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for sharing your views. Though words are not enough to express our sincere gratitude to our respected keynote speakers, jury members, participants, and research scholars. For their presence and contribution, it is duly acknowledged. Gracious participation of all is commendable. Without the combined efforts, this event would not have been possible. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months in advance. Hence, I would like to take this moment to give gracious thanks to the conference chair, Dr. C.M. Patel. Sir, Director, International Scientific Research Organization, Research Culture Society, whose presence and coordination made this conference immensely successful and enriching. Thanks, all of you. All of you are requested, at the last, all of you are requested to fill the feedback form link provided to you in the meeting chat already or through registered email after the conference valedictory session. Thanks once again.